Hello guys, DJ Aaron here. Today I am doing another computer video and you guys might see that I got a video pad up on the screen. Well, I was editing a video that I did of the weather a while back, and the video had no sound. And I was wondering, why did the video have no sound? Well, it rendered it with no sound, which kind of sucked in a way, because either the audio track was muted for everything. I pretty much don't know what happened with the audio when I rendered it. So I'm shooting another video on this computer. Hopefully it will work. So what computer did I get? This is a Cooler Master custom built machine. It has all AMD chipset in this machine, from the APU to the graphics card, etc. I do have some Western Digital hard drives in here. One that my brother supplied, and the other one I threw in for storage. So we have front I/O. There's really not much. We have the power button, the hard drive light, the two USB 3 connections, a Asus DVD drive, which does actually work. I tested it, ripped some CDs, and the cord was about ready to get dragged in with it. Anyways, we have a big humongo fan right there for pretty much outflow cooling. And then we have some more fans in here, which is probably the reason why it's kind of a loud running machine. But anyways, we're going to take a look at the back. We're going to take a look at the back I/O of the machine. So hang tight, and we'll, with the magic of video editing, we'll look at the back. So I'm going to do this kind of at an angle. Yes, I do need to clean this spaghetti mess. Please don't comment on it. So we got two USB 2 ports. We have USB 3 BIOS flashback ports. We have two USB B3 regular ports, which the Wi-Fi adapter and the USB microphone is hooked into that. We also have a display port. Well, we have two display ports. We have one for the onboard video, and then we have another one for the AMD Radeon side of the machine over here. It looks like there's a little bit of dust or something flying there. I kind of got it off now. So you're wondering why I have a DVI adapter connected to the VGA. Well, it's the only way I can get a video outputted to this thing without having to use the onboard video. So on this side as well, we have an optical out. We have a HDMI cable, HDMI port, and I think we have something else as well. I don't know what that is, without straining my eyeballs because I'm looking at it upside down. We have another set of HDMI over here and another display port. This card is huge. So, and then there's the power supply. Good thing it didn't go boom, or we would have done a major smoke test. So that's just what it looks like in the back of that machine. So on the software side of things, we do have a fresh copy of Windows 10, which is, you know, kind of a necessity when you're running Microsoft Windows. But I do use this for shows, and I do have software for it too. We have, should I say, OBS. I do not have a web camera at this point in time right now, so I can't really use a webcam for the for OBS at this point in time right now. So right now I just have a bunch of image slides and whatnot that I am able to use. So that is pretty much how I'm going to roll, at least for a little bit. I mean, I could still cast off the MacBook Pro, but that thing is starting to show its age. 4 gigabytes of RAM really isn't very much these days. Like I'm saying, it's really showing its age as far as usability goes. So we got OBS, we got Mix Vibes. Now I did try this with a few files in my audio portion. Something's not working right with some of the files, so I have to either dump them. We're going to go ahead and at some point we're gonna I have to go ahead and dump that. So we do have, okay, so we do have a good amount of files. We have Magic Smoke Electronics, Gramadoodle's Alarm, clean version. And those aren't working either. What the frig? Okay, so those must be hidden files or something. But these load. So the other ones must be the hidden files in the audio folder, so I got to get rid of that. So yeah, these must be the, I need to delete these. So what happens is when you copy straight from the Mac to Windows, you get 2 of everything, so I got to delete that. So that's pretty much a no-no there. So anyways, I also got Audacity, so I can make pre-shows and ads and stuff like that. So that's pretty much about it with this machine. Oh, and we're gonna open up Specky here. So we got we pretty much got the same specs as we do here. The only thing different is it views the hard drives that I have in here. I have a Western Digital 500 gig, which is a green drive, which is primarily one of the last green drives you can get for Western Digital before they changed everything over to SSDs. I have a Western Digital blue drive, which is a 1 terabyte, which is used for the operating system, and it also has a separate partition as well for whatever you want to use for it. So right now I will be editing this video in VideoPad because Microsoft discontinued Windows Movie Maker, and that makes me kind of angry. No, not really, but anyways, if anyone would like to recommend a video editor other than VideoPad, please feel free to comment below. And you know, I like trying out new things, so if you would like to have me try out a video editor, feel free to type a comment if you have one. So anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Peace out, practice, and enjoy, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so an update on what I did. I uninstalled Mix Vibes and went with Virtual DJ. So anyways, I fixed that problem because now every track works. So what Mix Vibes didn't do is it didn't ignore exactly those files that were there before, and now it recognizes each one. So I'm happy with that. So let's go ahead and insert 2, and there we go. Alright, so I typically went ahead and did virtual DJ. So anyways, I'm putting this on the end of the video just to let you guys know about what I did. So anyways, peace out, practice and enjoy, and I'll see you guys later yet again.